Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin's return back to 21,000, some news events, some technical analysis, and just an overall outlook of where I see Bitcoin going this year and beyond. So let's talk about what happened recently. Obviously, FTX had a big collapse, which pushed Bitcoin down to from 20,000 range down to about $15,000 range, $16,000 range, and now we've bounced back, right? When that was within a period of only maybe 2 months, right? You could see this dump that happened here, and now we've bounced back. So a lot of fear has exited the market. Obviously, we're not necessarily out of the woods yet, and a lot of this momentum was caused from the US stock market on Friday having a nice positive day. But overall, this is good, and we're getting some news updates with FTX's collapse. So I think some of the fear is slowly coming out of the market. Scaramucci, he sees Bitcoin at 50 to 100K in 2 to 3 years. So this whole article is basically about talking about different analysts and what they think about the market. Basically, the overall sum up of this article is that investors expect 2023 to be a year of caution before a potential bull run that could begin in 2024. So I think a lot of it, people are waiting for the Fed to pivot, and they're keeping an eye on interest rates, real estate prices, lots of different things in the market. I think 2023 will definitely be interesting. I don't know if it's necessarily going to be that bullish right now. Nothing looks that great besides last week, some of the positive news. So definitely something to keep an eye on. I think Bitcoin could easily return to 50 to 100K in a couple of years, yes, but there definitely is more downside here potentially. Something to keep an eye on would be, the $12,000 range, the $10,000 range if we did have another dip. And definitely we want to see it hold 20,000 here. And then obviously 25,000 would be another range of resistance to watch here in the short term. So another thing that I think is very crucial, and I think they talk about a little bit in this article, which I've always hammered down, is, obviously you can't time the next bull run, but when's a good time to dollar cost average in is usually before the halving. So what is the halving? The halving is when Bitcoin's supply that comes into the market every single day gets cut in half. So that's going to happen in March of 2024. So I'm thinking a lot of people, including Scaramucci, thinks 2023 is going to be more of a recovery year. Maybe later this year we'll get some more bullish news and we'll see where that takes us. But I think if we invest up until the halving, usually that halving sparks that bull market. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. And as you can see, yes, people are definitely a little bit shaken up from the FTX news. And I think retail is going to be slower to jump in, maybe a little more hesitant, which is going to be good. They're actually going to do their research. People aren't just going to go all in on meme stocks or meme cryptos or whatever it might be. But as you can see, Scaramucci's already investing more in the private markets. He's invested in a crypto firm founded by the former FTX boss, which is also interesting since FTX has been all over the news. That made headlines. And Harrison has been seeking fundraising targeting as high as $10 to $100 million valuation. And basically what this investment is going to do is it's going to enable crypto traders to create algorithmic-based strategies to access different markets, both centralized and decentralized. So it's interesting that this platform that this guy, Brett Harrison, is trying to create is going to be centralized and decentralized. So definitely something to keep an eye on. And if we just jump into the chart just to end the video here real quick, we can see that obviously Bitcoin has had a crazy ride, right? But the risk to reward, in my opinion, is extremely high. If you understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin, I don't think the fundamentals have changed at all. I definitely think it could be a rocky start to this year, depending on what news comes out. If we see another black swan event, then we'll probably have another wick down, or we could just go sideways here for a while. No one really knows, but that's why it's best to have a plan and to be prepared for both ways. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate you guys liking, commenting, subscribing. That all helps out a ton. And if you guys want more videos like this, definitely check out my Discord below and let me know. You can contact me there. It's a great way to communicate with other people. And if you guys want some free stocks or crypto, definitely check out my affiliate links below. You can just get a ton of free stocks and crypto just for signing up for different platforms completely for free. And like I said, if you guys want to keep seeing this content, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.